motif series with Yarn Wonders. Today we are going to see a easy fish motif. For this I have chosen a yellow color yarn, so we'll be switching one more color for row 2 as well to highlight it. So before getting into the project, I'll let you know what are all the stitches we are going to make. First we'll be making the chain stitches, which is the base. Then we'll be making single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet and triple crochet. So to begin, first we are going to make a slip knot, and for the base we'll be making 11 chain stitches. So the 11th stitch is your turning chain. So now we are going to make first single crochet of the first row, followed by half double crochet in the next stitch and double crochet in the third stitch. So 4, 5 and 6th stitch are triple crochet. So 3 continuous triple crochets into the next 3 loops. So after that 3 triple crochets, we'll be making 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. So we'll be having one more chain left. So just make a slip knot there, so that while making the second row you will have one supporting stitch there. So now to maintain this symmetry, we will be again doing the same stitches as we did on opposite side. First single crochet, then half double, followed by double crochet, and now 3 triple crochets into the next 3 stitches. So now again 1 double crochet, then 1 half double crochet in the final single crochet. Now once you are done till here, so cut this excess yarn we have hidden during the row 1 making, then cut this excess yarn as well, so that we'll be switching the color now. So I have just made a knot here, and now with one more color we'll be start making this fin for one side. So here I'm attaching the new color, and also I'm just joining this yellow with it so that we can hide it simultaneously. So just I made one single crochet and made it tight to the loop. So now we can start making triple crochets. So for one fin we'll be making 4 triple crochets into the same loop. So once one side of fin is done, so we are going to make the part now, body part now. So while doing this also, make sure you are hiding both the colors in the back. So we'll be making one single crochet throughout the body. So you can see the loops here. So I'm going to make one single crochet in all the loops. So now you can see this fin is bulging and it got tightened to the stitch. So if you want a loose fin, so before closing, so what you can make is, you can make 3 to 4 chain stitches and make one slip knot here. So that this will be, this looks like a standalone part. So now you can start making single crochets to the row 2. So just also ensure you are sealing this both color in the back side. So once you are done till here, you are almost in the center one. We'll be making the fin now. So for fin again we are going to make 4 triple crochets into the same loop. To give the same finish, I'll be making 4 chains here, and we are going to make a slip stitch. So that's it. Now you can cut this excess yarn, so we have hide it all the way. Then here as well you can cut the excess yarn. And you shall just seal it. So now you can see we have done the fish motif. So this part can be hidden back side, and you can cut this off, or you can have that for making a knot or has a back charm. So anyway, I'll be using as a charm somewhere, so I'm just going to keep this yarn. If you don't want, you can hide this like it and you can just cut it off. Hope you all like this. Thank you for watching.